We'll talk about whatever you guys want to talk about.
About football?
Yeah? You're a really smart kid, you know.
Tell me something I don't know.
How old are you guys?
6. You're 7. Oh yeah, forgot. Yeah.
And how old are you, Eliza?
I'm going to turn 4.
You're gonna turn 4. What do you like eating?
Chocolate.
Just chocolate.
And Maggie.
But would you eat them together? Would you mix chocolate and Maggie and eat it? What do you want to do when you grow up, Eliza?
Princess.
Where is she? Where is Eliza? Where are you?
Where? I can also see your fingers.
You're rolling. This is the episode that started.
I don't
Sorry, Mom. What's up, Eliza? Arif. Happy to be on the Ranveer show.
Yeah.
Eliza, what's my name?
I don't. Quack, quack, duck. Use your mind. That's what she's not smarter
You
than
tell me, what's my name, bro?
Ranveer.
Who's Ranveer?
You.
Eliza, what's my name?
Ranveer.
Are you happy to be here today?
Yeah.
What are you going to speak about to me today?
About myself.
About yourself? What are you guys doing? Dancing. This is what you guys do. How old are you guys?
6. You're 7. Oh yeah, forgot. Yeah.
And how old are you, Eliza?
I'm going to turn 4.
You're going to turn 4.
She's 4 saal.
Tell me your favorite thing about your sister, Eliza. What do you love about Eliza?
When she plays with me.
Yeah? Why? She's a fun sister.
Yeah.
Who do you like more? Yourself or Eliza?
Myself.
You like yourself more than you like your sister? Why?
Because I'm smarter than her.
What's your favorite thing about your brother, Eliza?
If he only hugs me.
When he hugs you.
Arif. I have a diamond.
You have a what?
I have a diamond.
You like diamonds? You like this color, yellow?
I like white.
Whose shirt do you like more, mine or his?
Who has only wear white?
No, but
But you're wearing white pants.
yeah, I'm wearing white pants. He's wearing a white shirt.
Wait, we're opposite. I have blue pants and you have blue t-shirt.
Yeah.
I have white t-shirt and you have white pants.
Yeah, but clearly only one of us is looking better. That's you.
How?
Okay, how about we keep bringing in mom and dad into this podcast?
Means?
Like we will switch Eliza now with dad or mom. You choose.
Mama.
Your mom?
Both.
No, if you had to choose one.
No, both.
Both. No, but you can only choose one for this.
Then none.
Then, so either both or none at all. Arif, come, we'll talk about football.
About football,
Yeah,
I know everything about
I
Ronaldo.
also know everything about football.
I know everything about Ronaldo.
You feel inspired by Ronaldo?
Yeah,
You like video games?
PS5.
You're a PS5 guy. What do you play?
FIFA.
I've seen that you're a big football fan,
Yeah.
right? You told me which club do you support?
Al-Nazar.
Al Nazar. That's a Saudi Arabian club just for Ronaldo.
Yeah.
So you watch all their games and all, what?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your reason for liking Ronaldo?
Because he's faster than Messi.
You like speed in football. You run fast.
Yeah.
If you and me race, who's gonna win?
Me.
What do you like eating?
Pizza, pasta and Maggi.
Maggie.
Because with the magic masala, it's spicy and I like it.
How are you so fit? If you're eating like Maggie and pizza, how are you such a fit guy?
Because I also, in the morning, I eat and I run very fast.
Every day.
Yeah.
You're playing football every day.
Not every day, like in school. When I'm going to the washroom, me and my friend have a race.
Ah, okay.
Like that.
You're an active guy. Who's with us in the studio?
Eliza.
Eliza. That's your sister.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your sister?
Playing together.
Playing together. Okay. Now I'll talk to your sister for some time. Okay, you can go chill. Come. What's up? What's happening? Eliza, do you remember my name?
Ranu.
Yeah, up top. Okay, that's good enough. I was talking to your brother for all this time.
But why it took so much time?
I'm so sorry. I am really sorry I took that much time. I'm sorry. Were you feeling bad that you were waiting?
Yeah,
I'm really sorry.
it's okay.
Oh, thank you so much. So tell me about yourself. What's your name?
Liza.
Yeah? What does that mean?
Chocolate.
It means joy. Are you a happy person?
Yes.
You're a happy person. Smile. Smile for the cameras. Are you having fun today?
Yes.
What are you liking about this?
I don't know.
You don't know. But you just like the vibe in this room.
Yes.
Am I your friend?
Yeah.
You like the attention, I think, Eliza.
Yeah.
So tell me about what you do every day. What do you do in the mornings?
I wake up in the morning and then I ready and then I brush my teeth and then I eat my food and then I go to my class.
Do you like going for class?
Dance.
Dance class. You're learning how to dance.
Yeah.
You like dancing?
Yeah. I do Coca-Cola song.
You have fun dancing?
Yeah.
You have friends in dance class?
Yeah.
Is your friend's favorite color also white?
Yeah.
You like what your brother was wearing?
Yes.
You like what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like what I'm wearing?
No.
Why not? Do you think I'm looking bad?
No.
Oh, thank you. Is school going to start for you?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Nice. Woo! I'm happy for you. What cartoons do you watch on YouTube?
Balu and the Bulbuli.
Bhalu and the Bulbuli. What do you want to do when you grow up, Eliza?
Princess.
But what will you do after becoming a princess? That's a death stare. I'm a little scared of you.
I want to go to my mama.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can go. Go. But give me a high five and go.
No, properly. Why not give me a high five? Why not give me a high five? Why not? Try this. Try this. Why you not giving me a high five?
What happened? What are you taking out? You're taking your shoes. I just got royally ignored. So tell me, what's your dad's name?
Alai.
Alai. How's it having a kid?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean,
Do you kind of get to live out your childhood again when you have a kid?
I certainly have started keeping my office hours to, earlier it was all over the place. Now it's, specific because we do end up sleeping by 10, maybe sometimes even earlier, just so that, we can wake up because he has an early school. He leaves for school at about 7.
At 6.
You wake up at 6.
Yeah, but I
So that, that 1 hour in the morning, it's nice to get, to spend that time with him.
Like when I see guys my age have kids, sometimes I think about this life beyond YouTubing and social media. Like I think by the time I have kids, I probably won't want to be on social media in general. I don't know why.
It's all a phase, right? I mean, there was a time, so I had a startup at one point in time. At that point in time, I could never think of having kids, in the midst of all of that. Everything, there's a time you'll feel it's right and you'll end up going for it. I don't think you end up ever leaving something or stopping something. It's more on the lines of, all right, you might maybe reduce it by 10% and then, that 10% goes towards the kid. For me, the first 6 months or the first year or so, it was quite different as compared to what it is right now. Now, it's not like I have to, I want to.
You're a really smart kid,
Tell me something I don't know.
Confident guy. This is crazy to me, man.
Eliza, you can give uncle a high five. Fast,
Come.
tight.
Proper high five. Come. Hey! Okay, one more. Where is she? Where is Eliza?
Oh, no, that's her favorite game. Hide and seek.
Where are you?
Where? I can also see your fingers.
I think we can switch up the pair now.
Yeah. Come, Eliza, now your chance.
So Eliza,
Smile.
Oh.
Smile. Hello.
having fun?
Yeah.
You're liking it now with mom here?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about mom?
What do you love about Mama?
If you only sit and hold my
If I sit and hold your hand, you like that?
yeah.
You had something.
What do you like eating?
Chocolate
Just chocolate.
and Maggie.
Chocolate and Maggie. But would you eat them together? Would you mix chocolate and Maggie and eat it?
Yeah.
Later.
I just wanted me.
What's the challenge of this stage of motherhood that you're at?
I think to kind of be their friend and understand things that they are not able to even express. So I see a lot of times when Arav comes back home, he doesn't tell me that, how his day was, or maybe he had a fight with somebody, but I have to understand his emotions by the way he is acting with me. So there are a lot of times he'll be like, Mama, tonight you please sleep with me. So I know there is something that he's hiding which he is not telling me. So I feel that I want to be there for him when he asks me that. So I think that is a big challenge to kind of understand their emotions which they are constantly going through.
What's your favorite thing about Eliza?
I think our morning routines and night routines are something which is very dear to me. Like we spend our evenings where she'll have a dinner. We all four of us read together. We play Uno together. So I think it's something for kids. I feel that once they have that routine, I think they really relate well. So something that we want to keep going. You continue doing.
Gotcha. Okay, I think we're almost done. We'll bring Arav in.
Yeah.
We'll say goodbye to the audiences and then we'll go eat something, okay? Yeah. Come, Arav. We're ending the episode. Imagine you've just scored a goal. What are you going to do after you score a goal?
Celebrate.
How do you celebrate?
What is your...
Sit on me.
How do you do it?
You had fun today? What are your messages to all your fans?
Stay happy.
Stay happy.
Awesome. Thank you, Eliza. Thank you, Arav. You guys were fantastic guests. Thank you, parents.
Thank you so much.
This was a lot of fun. Hope to meet you guys 20 years later and review this episode we shot today.
Probably on Ariv's show where he will be hosting you.
Happy to.
TAS.
We're going to TAS the next time. See you guys. Thank you.